Hey, I'm Martin and I help manufacturers to make great quality products. In the event of a defect, traceability allows for the precise identification of the affected batches, leading to targeted recalls rather than broad, costly ones. This minimises the financial impact and improves the brand's reputation. Also, traceability can help with regulatory compliance by providing the necessary documentation for industry standards. It also boosts customer confidence because they're offering transparency about the products and safety, building trust into that brand. So overall, effective traceability streamlines operations, enhances product quality, and reduces the likelihood and cost of recalls. If you'd like to dive deeper into this topic, be sure to check out the full article over on our blog. There you'll find more insights and valuable content to fuel your digital transformation journey. Take care.